Hi everyone, welcome to Slice, where we explore creative kitchen hacks and solve all of your home cooking dilemmas, because I know you've got some. I do too. I'm your host, Yvette Rios, and this week we're joined by a very special guest chef and CEO. You're our first CEO.
Thank you.
Ever.
Thanks.
Of Mr. Cory's Cookies, Mr. Cory.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
nice to meet you.
It's awesome.
Was this all your idea?
Well, I started this first to get my mom a car, and then did it for college. We first started selling hot chocolate and then lemonade, and cookies went well all season, so everyone loved the cookies. Let's just stick with cookies.
Okay, so what are we gonna make today?
We're gonna make a Snickerdoodles S'mores Cookie. So it's gonna be Snickerdoodle at the bottom, graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallow, chocolate, Snickerdoodle cookie on top, squished together, yum yum yum.
What?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Okay, so let's get started. What do we have in here?
So we have flour. This is for the dry mix, but
Okay.
we're gonna start with the wet mix first.
Ah.
So we're gonna
okay.
need 2 sticks of butter.
Okay.
Put the butter in.
Perfect. Thank you.
And then we're gonna put 2 cups of sugar.
Okay,
we can
so
pour
tell
it
me
in.
about this sugar. This is browner than
This
the
is
average.
cane sugar. So now I'm just gonna cream it.
Okay.
I'm gonna close it and put on 2.
Okay. You've done this before.
Yes.
Okay, so you still like cookies, even though you've got this cookie business. You're
Yes,
doing your thing?
I love cookies. I just love eating cookies too. It's the best part of my job.
Yes, for sure.
We're gonna add 2 eggs.
2
We're gonna
eggs.
press the eggs.
Okay, cool. And brown eggs, white eggs, no difference.
It really doesn't matter.
Okay,
I like
got
brown
it.
eggs.
It just comes from brown chickens, that's why, so it's just different. It doesn't really, but I'm just...
yeah.
You were like, what?
Okay.
Now, do I mix it again?
No, just pour the vanilla extract in, and then you're gonna serve.
Okay, now should I drink this?
No.
Oh my gosh.
It's not good to drink, actually.
Okay, so you put that right in there.
And just like stir it.
Okay,
Now that's done, we're gonna make the dry mix.
okay.
So I have 3 cups of flour in here.
All-purpose
And-
flour.
Yeah, all-purpose flour.
Okay.
And then we're gonna use 4 teaspoons of vanilla, cinnamon. And then we're gonna put a ½ teaspoon of allspice.
Allspice.
Then we're gonna
Which
put-
comes from a tree that's called an allspice tree, which I didn't know. I thought it was all spices, but
Oh.
the tree is actually called an allspice tree.
I never knew that.
Mind blown.
That's
I'm
pretty
telling
cool.
you. I know. See, I taught you
Facts,
something.
fun facts. ½
Fun
teaspoon
facts.
of nutmeg.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put cream tartar.
Cream of what is a tartar and
teaspoons.
how does it get creamed?
You know, that is for a scientist to tell you.
Okay, got
I gotta
it.
look into that. And then we're gonna use salt.
Okay.
3/4 salt. Then baking soda, cause you know, baking soda science.
Yes. Okay, so we got all our dry ingredients in there,
Yes.
right?
What
is this?
It's my booty whisk. A chef gave
The
it to me.
booty whisk.
Yeah,
All
booty
right.
whisk.
All right. Okay, so here we go.
So you're just gonna whisk it.
Whisk
together.
it. You may or may not know this, but each week on Slice, we invite you guys to submit your own questions. So each week they submit a different kitchen conundrum. Are you ready to hear about this one?
Okay, sure.
I want to surprise my mom. She loves dessert. What's a good recipe?
Oh, well, that's a good question because we're making a great recipe right now. S'mores cookie. It's easy. It's simple. Ingredients you have at the house.
And moms love this cookie.
Moms love s'mores. They need to get something to get their stress off.
That's
so
right. That's true.
S'mores are amazing.
You know a lot about moms.
Well, I have a mom.
Yeah. Well, you got it figured out. Okay, so it's well integrated there.
Yes. Now
Okay.
we're gonna pour the dry mix into the wet mix.
Okay.
So just put it on like stir,
Stir.
and then you can pour it in slowly. You can help
Okay.
it
Wait. Okay. Yeah. I'm feeling like maybe this is a
Slow.
Mr. Cory job here.
A little bit, let it mix together, and then we're gonna pour a little bit more.
A little bit more. And what? Ooh, I like this.
Okay, now more.
Okay. It smells good, I gotta say.
Yeah,
It's the
because all the
nutmeg.
spices are like.
Yeah, yeah.
Now we have the cookie dough. This is all well. We're gonna like make this into a log.
Okay,
So I have parchment paper right here.
okay. Most 14-year-olds don't know how to make a cookie. So I think you're definitely way ahead in the life skills department.
Thank you.
And then you're making some sort of, this is the caboose of some sort of train.
Yeah, I have to make like a log.
Okay, got it.
So now I have the cookie dough. I'm gonna put it in the freezer, or you can put it in the fridge. Doesn't matter.
Okay,
But
cool.
make sure it's like firm when you take it out. It has to be like firm and stuff, so not too soft.
Okay, got it. Through the magic of television, it got way smaller. It must shrink when it freezes.
Yeah. This is this cookie dough I already have.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a knife. Kids, if you know how to cut a knife, or don't, make sure you have a parent or someone
That's a good idea.
to help you cut the knife.
And that's about as much.
Yeah, that's
So like a ½ inch, let's say.
And say you need help with another one, just like.
Oh, that's a good tip. Look at that.
So now I have the cookies ready.
Yes.
I sliced them.
Okay.
The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the sugar. I made this already.
Okay.
The recipe is just sugar, put all the spices I used already.
Okay.
And mix it together.
So you're doubling down on the allspice, the cinnamon,
Yeah.
and you're putting it all in there.
And you just wanna like, see? You could do it next time.
Oh yeah, I would love to. Okay, so how am I doing?
So you're doing good, just keep sugaring them, and then I'm gonna get parchment paper.
Okay, cool. So now what's so special about your chocolate chip cookies?
They're made with love.
Well,
They're made with love.
very good answer.
So now I'm gonna put it on a tray.
Okay.
I use 2 fingers, like 2 inches, and then just like separate them. Because these don't really spread, so it
got
doesn't
it.
really matter. So I'm gonna put this in the oven
Okay.
for at 350 for 7 to 9 minutes.
Okay, so it's quick.
And then we have another cookies here already.
Okay.
So
Oh, I see. We have the swap out.
yes, magic.
Look at that. Those look delicious.
Yes, they're yummy.
Okay, so now this is the snickerdoodle part of the cookie.
Yeah,
and now we're gonna
snickerdoodle.
do the s'more part. And these are low cal, low carb, right?
I have no clue. Hope so.
And you're a child, and you should not know.
Yeah, I don't really care about calories. Perfect.
Perfect.
So now we have this. We're gonna actually get a fire.
Okay,
We'll
so
have
we're
the
not
fire
making
on.
a campfire. We are
No,
going
just like
to-
use a stove. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, okay.
But and first we have to get graham crackers.
Okay, right here.
Yeah. there it is.
Cool.
And you just put a graham cracker on each cookie. We got the chocolate, so it's
Okay.
break in like 2s, you know.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put them there. 1 chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
And then now
It's so good.
we're gonna get a little marshmallow stick.
What do you mean?
All right.
Oh, these things.
Yeah,
A
good.
marshmallow stick. Why didn't you say that?
I did. Okay.
Okay.
Get another one. So for you.
Oh, for me. Oh, thank you, Cory. Cheers.
Cheers. You get a marshmallow.
Okay, how many?
Get 1 for 1. And now,
Okay, so now what do we do?
just put it over the fire. So yours is almost
Oh,
ready.
see, that's how I like it. Is that okay?
Blow it, blow it, blow it! This is good.
Yours is good?
So now,
Okay.
just put it over yours like this.
Okay.
And now, you get a cookie?
And just
this?
use it to remove. Oh, yes.
Squishy down, like,
Squish it.
now, oh, make sure you guys turn off the fire too, so
Good.
you won't burn the house down.
Good tip.
Plate.
Plate. Beautiful. Well
Plate these.
positioned.
Put this little guy right there.
Okay.
And want to eat them here or?
No, we've got to go to our special
Station?
eating station.
Okay, let's
come on
do it.
over.
Oh, let's
Oh,
eat these
yeah. Well, and I've got just the right thing.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
To accompany these cookies. Here we go.
Thank you.
Nice, cool
this is
glass
wonderful.
of milk. Okay, so now what do you rec? Which one? Just grab one?
just grab any one.
Okay. Ooh, look at that.
Oh.
See you on the other side. Oh, look at the chocolate.
Look
It's
at it
all
oozing
melty.
out, look at that.
Oh, no. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Okay, that's good.
That's good. Okay, so don't eat all that cookie because we have another part of the show. We play a little game. You ready? So we try a culinary trend. Both of us try it. These are things that are hot, 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 supposedly. And you decide, here you go,
Thank you.
whether you love it or you hate it. You down?
Okay, let's
Okay,
do
cool.
it.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna have one more bite though.
This is a good cookie.
Okay, Mr. Cory, you ready?
Yes.
This is fire or fail. So in
Okay.
front of us, this is a hot culinary trend right now. What do you think it is?
Noodles.
Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so this is called the magic noodle salad. Okay?
Ooh,
and there's
rich,
something, but don't eat it yet. It's supposed to be magical because it changes, something changes about it, okay?
Okay.
And it's made of pea flour.
Oh.
So,
let me test this out first.
oh, you're gonna test it out? So
Yeah.
what do you think, just looking at it? Whoa, that's a long noodle.
Yeah, it's a long noodle.
Okay, so
It's
this is
stretchy.
a vermicelli noodle. Okay, let's see. You're doing some sort of elasticity test here.
Yes,
Very
good.
scientific.
Pretty good.
So before we try it, there is some sort of chemical reaction here that's gonna happen when I put the sauce in
Oh
here.
no.
It's gonna change color.
Oh,
It might
God.
explode in your face. So be careful, just guard yourself. Okay, so now we're supposed to mix it.
Really?
Yeah, mix it in.
Oh, it's starting to change.
You
I
see
see
that?
some of that.
You see that?
What? That's ridiculous.
Oh yeah, isn't that crazy?
Oh my God.
So it goes from like a bluish
That's
purple to
ridiculous.
like a purplish purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, mix it in there. Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
try some of
let's
this,
try
I
it.
guess. Okay.
Okay. Oh wow, you're taking a hefty portion there.
Come on, come on. Okay, wait. Let's just.
Okay, ready? We're gonna do it?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
It looks like you swallowed a Muppet. I do appreciate the color change. I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think the main thing about this is like the color changing.
The novelty of it.
Yeah, it just tastes like you taste the sauce, but if you eat it plain, like it doesn't taste like it.
Yeah. So you can't taste the purple.
Yeah, you can't taste the purple thing.
Okay, so what do you think? Fire or fail?
Ooh. Fire.
Yeah! Fire. That's pretty cool, right? Okay, cool. I agree. Fire. We did it.
Fire.
Awesome. It was so great to have you here, Mr. Cory. Thank you so much for joining me. You have to come back again and make more cookies.
Yes, I will.
This time, like even larger ones. I feel like, you know, plate size would be nice. Ooh, all right.
Okay, I'm gonna take some with
take some to go. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to cut an avocado. Now, I learned this little trick from Grace Ramirez, but she taught me that you can actually pull the stem off like this to make sure that your avocado inside is not black. So what you're gonna do is take a nice sharp chef's knife and you're gonna go around the seed like this, and then you're gonna twist it, and there you go. And to get the seed out, grab your knife, stab it, twist it, and the seed comes right out like that. Now, one of the things that we like to do, I'm Puerto Rican and we eat avocado with everything. We eat it like a condiment. We cut it into little wedges like this. You just peel the peel off like this, put a little salt on it. It's perfect. And avocados are filled with good fats, no cholesterol, because only animal products have cholesterol. So it's a great idea to eat a bunch of these if you can. Thank you so much for watching Slice. I'm Yvette Rios. Follow me at Yvette Rios and leave your comments and any kitchen questions you have. We're gonna be going through them here on the show. Tune in next week on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Bye-bye, guys.